Welcome, Miltonians. Welcome to the Real Milton Show. We're looking forward to provide you all the information and advice that you need to purchase a home or sell a home in Milton. Whether you're looking to buy a new one or buy a bigger or smaller, we're going to provide you the advice and help. Over the years, we've seen Milton grow from a small little sleepy town to the fastest growing town in Canada or maybe in North America. We have seen the number of resale homes gone up from 800 or below just about 10 years ago to now over 2,200, which they already sold, which is as much they were sold last year. So numbers are climbing every single year as compared to the previous year, except for 2008. And reason we know for 2008, it was a glitch in the market, as we call it, but it was a big recession. Interest rates are low, and they're going to probably be that way for a long time, for at least the foreseeable future, as we see the Bank of Canada policy statements coming along. But at the same point in time, that's always kind of keeping investors interested and the home buyers trying to put their money into bigger properties and make the investment go work for them. The interest rates are still low, but the price points have gone up significantly. I have to point out that as well, that almost 2% increase, actually above that mark, that we have seen over the past year alone. Though it looks like modest increase, it is actually a significant increase given the price points that we have already seen. They're almost at $470,000 on average price of a home in Milton. Milton's been a town over the years that we have seen the people looking for single-family dwellings. People looking for homes that are affordable, and as you know, almost 2/3 of the properties bought by Canadians all over Canada are detached homes. It's difficult to find those kind of properties in affordable rate anywhere else but Milton for the last many years. And that's the reason. You're going to find a lot of those single-family dwellings, low density areas that developed in the beginning in Milton, which are now kind of also depleting because a lot of builders are building now smaller properties like townhomes or even condos. So that's the sort of increase that has caused a lot of obviously concern. A lot of people that are jumping in as first home buyers, they're the ones who've been driving the market all across Canada, now shifting their interest actually towards condos. But the condo market is now obviously not as hot because a lot of concerns are out there in terms of financing with regards to the condos and the supply that exists in the market there. But still, as you know, real estate market for the freehold homes, that's the darling of the properties buyers in Milton especially. You're going to find that that appetite is never ending. We have seen a lot of developments here by builders, but Mattamy has been the one which has been the flagship development of Hawthorne Village, has almost kind of built over 10,000 homes and moved a lot of families from communities surrounding us, including Mississauga especially. Once the water came in with over $100 million investment through a syndication between the developers and the town, that has caused a lot of kind of flow of money and the traffic into Milton. And that commercial development that followed almost after that residential growth started has brought all the infrastructure pieces in place. There's a lot of new infrastructure development as you see around, the roads expanding, bridges being made, overheads, underpasses, even new GO stations coming along the way. A lot of those kind of developments have caused a lot of people to kind of find Milton just like a home that is perfect for them. Countryside surrounding it, living amenities just close by, walking distance. You don't have to travel for them either that far as in any other city. And you can still commute to the places that you work in, or you'll have friends living in like Mississauga or Toronto through extensive network highways like 401, 407, and QW, which is just 10 minutes south. And you have got the Milton GO train service just starting and finishing here every single day. So welcome to the show. We're going to discuss further about every single day, what's happening in Milton market, what's got listed, what's got sold, and try to kind of give you some kind of like understanding as to what's happening in the market and what's the pulse of the market there to help you make the right decision to put the properties in the market, help them sell it for you if you need any help there. But definitely we look forward to kind of provide you any kind of advice which can benefit you in any way in your real estate investments. So welcome to the show and thanks for joining us. I'm looking forward to talking to you on a daily basis.